2025 promises plenty of fodder for the ambitious trader. The US continues to show strength, with the Dow Jones targeting the 50,000 mark amid robust earnings growth, though the S&P 500's technical indicators suggest potential for correction after its remarkable 2024 run. European markets face headwinds, with Germany's DAX confronting both economic weakness and political uncertainty. The FTSE 100 may find support from UK budget stimulus, targeting the 8,700 to 8,800 range by year-end. In commodities, gold's bull run could extend toward $3,000, supported by central bank buying, while oil markets anticipate supply surpluses pressuring prices towards $75 per barrel. The US dollar may remain range-bound between 100 and 108, though rate differentials and safe haven demand could support strength. As always, traders should pay careful attention to technical levels and risk management, given elevated valuations across major indices.